Children, it is a continuation of exercise on similar triangles, and you take the sixth question. In the figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. We know that corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. Therefore, you can take the side AE of a triangle ABE is equals to side AD of a triangle ACD. Here AE is equals to AD, and also you can write AB of a triangle ABE is equals to AC of a triangle ACD. The reason is CPCT. What is the reason here? Both of them are equal according to CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So you can write here, if you take the triangles ADE and triangle ABC, now you consider this is the first here. Now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, here you write the ratio, that is AE, here AE by AC you can take, is equals to AE by AC is equals to AD by AB you can take. AE by AC is equals to AE by AC is equals to AD by AB. That is from first you can write. What is the reason you can give here? From first. Here you know that AE is equals to AD. AC is also is equals to AB. Naturally the ratio AE by AC equals to AD by AB. Here numerator also equals and denominator also equals, and the ratio becomes equals here. And also you know that angle A is the angle of both the triangle. Angle A is the angle of triangle ADE, and also angle A is the angle of the triangle ABC. Therefore you can write angle A is equals to angle A. Here angle A means, if you take the triangle DAE, it becomes the angle A, that is DAE. And if you take the triangle ABC, that is the angle BAC, that is nothing but angle A. And angle A is equals to angle A you can take, that is common angle. Common angle. Angle A can be written as angle DAE, and this angle A can be written as angle BAC. So there angle DAE and angle BAC. You consider this is the second and this is the third. From second and third, what you can write here? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC according to which similarity criterion? Here two sides are in the same proportion and include angles are equal, so you can consider it is an SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. You got triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Here two sides of one triangle are proportional to the two sides of the other triangle, and the angle between them are equal here. So you got triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Now come to the seventh question. In the figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP and triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE and triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB and triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Now you take the first pair, that is first one, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Angle AEP is equals to 90 degree. Angle PDC is equals to 90 degree because you know that AE and AD are altitude. So you can write angle AEP is equals to angle CDP, both are equals to 90 degree. So what is the reason that you can give this here? CE and AD are altitudes. So you can write CE and AD are altitudes. And next, one more thing you can verify here. At P, there are vertically opposite angles, angle APE and angle CPD. Here there is a P, and at that point angle APE and angle CPD are the vertically opposite angles. So you can write here angle APE is equals to angle CPD. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Therefore, here directly you can write, no need of taking third corresponding angles. So after considering two pairs of equal angles, you can write triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Similarity criteria used here is, that is AA similarity criteria. You can write AA criterion for similarity. AA criterion for similarity of triangles. So you got one pair of similar triangles. Next you take, to prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Second one, you take the triangles in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Here ABD is this triangle, and CBE, here it is CBE is again this triangle ABD, this big triangle here. So you take here, you know that the triangles are like this way, and here these two are 90 degree and one common angle is there. This is the point C, this is the point A, this is the point E, B. So the triangles are, this is the point D, triangles are ABD and triangle CBE. So here you write which angles are 90 degree here. In triangle ABD, angle ADB is 90 degree, that is equals to angle CEB. Both are equals to 90 degree. The reason is same reason, that is here AD and CE are altitudes. That is the reason. Next common angle is there, that is the angle B. Angle B is the angle of both the triangle here. Angle B means it is angle ABD of triangle ABD and CBE of triangle CBE. So you can write angle ABD is equals to angle CBE. So you know that this is the common angle. So it is common angle. Then directly you can write, therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Same similarity criterion is used, that is AA similarity criterion. You can write AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Next, third one, you must prove that triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. So you take in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Here triangle AEP. So here AEP it is, and triangle ABD. The figure is like this way. That is, here it is a point. Now you consider the triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Triangle AEP you can see here, and triangle ABD or ADB. And you can take these two triangle AEP and triangle ABD. Here you can verify that one common angle is there and 90-degree angles are there. If you take the names of the two triangle, in triangle AEP are taken. So here which are the 90-degree angle? Angle AEP. Angle AEP is equals to angle ADB. Both are equals to 90 degree. Reason is same, that is AD and here it is C. Here C is there, but we have taken only PE. So AD and PE are, or AD and CE are altitudes. Can take, and common angle is there, that is angle A. Angle A is the angle of triangle AEP and also it is the angle of the triangle ABD. So you can write angle A means that is angle PAE of the for the triangle AEP, and angle BAD or DAB for the triangle ABD. So you reason you can give common angle. Common angle it is. Again by using the AA similarity criterion you can write that, therefore triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Criteria is same criteria, that is AA similarity criterions. AA similarity criterion. The next one is fourth, that is triangle PDC similar to triangle BC. Fourth one is in triangle you take PDC and BC. PDC and triangle BC. PDC and BC. See the figure. Here it is PDC, this triangle, and PEC, that is BEC. So the figure is like this way. Here this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, one common angle is there. So you can write the name here, that is CPDEB. This is B, this is E, this is P, D, and this is C. This is 90 degree. Have the rough sketch here, these two triangles here. And you know that again there is a 90 degree angle in the triangle PDC. Angle PDC is equals to 90 degree. Angle PDC is equals to 90 degree, and also angle CEB. See here, CEB. CEB is also 90 degree. Angle CEB is equals to, or BEC you can take, is equals to 90 degree. Same reason, so that AD and CE, that is, take the original figure, AD and CE are the altitudes. And common angle, angle C is the angle of the triangle PDC, and also it is the angle of the triangle CEB. So you can write angle PCD is equals to angle ECB. Common angle you can take, common angle. Therefore directly you can write triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Same similarity criteria, that is AA similarity criterion. In this way, you got the 4 pairs of similar triangles. Take question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersect CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. See the question here and see the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram, and the side AD is produced to E. E is a point on the produced side, and BE intersect CD at F. Here BE intersect CD at F here. Now what you have to prove? Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB, that you have to take, and here you take the help of the property of the parallelogram, and you know that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal, so you can take angle A is equals to angle C. If you take the triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A is equals to angle C. And also you know that here this is the angle ABE and angle CFB are the alternate angles. So you write the names of the triangles ABE and CFB. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, right angle A is equals to angle B. Why? Opposite angles of parallelogram. Angle A is equals to angle C, opposite angles of parallelogram, right? Opposite angles of parallelogram. Write the words opposite angles of parallelogram. Next angle here, you take angle BFC. That is angle BFC and angle ABE. So write angle ABE. Angle ABE is equals to angle CFB or BFC here. CFB. Reason? Here you know that these two angles are like this way. Here AB parallel to CD and the line is like this way. So these two angles becomes the alternate angle. Here angle BFC and angle ABF means ABE are the alternate angles made by the transversal of parallel line. So you can take they are the alternate angles. So they are alternate angles, and you know that alternate angles made by the transversal of parallel lines are equal. Again here you got AA, that is two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Therefore you can write triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Which criterion used here? AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion is used. So you got the result here. Take the question number 9. The question is, in the figure ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that, first one is, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Second one is, prove CA by PA is equals to BC by AMP. Here we have to prove two things. One is, we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Second one, we have to prove that CA by PA is equals to BC by AMP. And the given that the triangle ABC is right angled at B and triangle AMP is right angled at M. And first you write the names of the two triangles and prove that they are similar. So you write the names here. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, here it is a solution of 1. Next, here use any one of the similarity criterion and prove that they are similar. And here it is given that angle ABC and angle AMP are right angles, so they must be equal. Right, angle ABC is equals to angle AMP, both are equals to 90 degree. It is given here. The reason you can write that is given. Already it is given that triangle ABC is right angled at angle B and triangle AMP is right angled at M. So here you have taken angle ABC is equals to angle AMP, both are equals to 90 degree. And you know that with the help of the figure you can note angle A is the angle of both the triangle. Therefore you can consider it is a common angle. So you write angle A is equals to angle A, or in triangle ABC it is angle BAC, that is equals to in triangle AMP it is angle PAC or CAP. PAC. Here we can give the reason common angle. Angle A is common angle and they must be of the same measurement. So they are equal here. Angle BAC is equals to angle MAP. Angle A is common angle, that is nothing but angle BAC and angle MAP. And you got two pairs of equal angles. And next you can write, therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Two angles are enough to prove that two triangles are similar. You got the two pairs of equal angles here in the triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So which criterion of similarity is used here? AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. So you got the first one. Next, second one. Here already you proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Then you can write here as triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Here you take the ratio, you know that angle A, common angle. Angle A, common angle. Angle B and angle M are right angles, and naturally C becomes equals to P. Here, therefore, you can write the ratio. You can write AB by AM is equals to AB by AM is equals to BC by MP is equals to, and also AC by AP. AC by AP. Here the required ratio is CA by PA. This one is equals to PC by AP, and you can write it directly. Therefore, you can take that AC by CA by PA is equals to, what is that? BC by MP. The reason you know, here two triangles are equiangular and similar means the pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, you can write CA by PA is equals to BC by MP. CA by PA is equals to BC by MP. So, you can give the reason. Corresponding sides are in same proportion. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Here, you know the corresponding sides are, already it is given that AB and AM is one pair of corresponding sides, and BC and MP is second pair of corresponding sides, and AC and AP are third pair of corresponding sides. So, here as you proved triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, naturally you will get the ratio, that is CA by PA is equals to BC by MP. Now you see the question number 10. The question is CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that first one CD by GH is equals to AC by FG. Second one, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third one, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Now here, first thing, the given thing is that triangle ABC and triangle FEG are similar. And here, CD is a bisector of the angle ACB and HG is a bisector of the angle EGF or FGE. Now, the first one, what you have to prove? CD by GH is equals to AC by FG. And to prove this, you must take the triangle. You know that here CD is a side of the triangle DBC or triangle ACD. And next here, FG is a side of the triangle GHF. So here, you must prove that these two triangles are similar. After proving that, you will get the ratio here. And now, verify that CD is a side of the triangle ACD and GH is a side of the triangle HGF, and also AC is a side of the triangle ACD and FG is a side of the triangle FGE. So, you must prove that the two triangles are similar. And first you take the given, that is first one given. What is given? What is given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG is given. FEG is given. It means, you know that here the corresponding angles of triangle ABC and triangle FVG are equal here. It means angle A must be equals to angle F, and angle F must be equals to angle E, and angle C must be equals to G. That is, A must be equals to F here, and angle B must be equals to angle E, and angle C must be equals to angle G. That is, angle ACB must be equals to angle FGE. So you write that first here. Therefore, you write angle A is equals to angle F, and angle B is equals to angle E, and also angle ACB is equals to angle FGE, angle FGE. So here reason, what is the reason you are going to give? The reason is, what is the reason? Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Similar triangles are equal. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Next, by using this, you take the triangle, which triangle? ACD or DCA, and the triangle HGF or FGH. So take first one. To prove the first one, you take in triangle, which triangle you are going to take? That is ACD and also FGH. You know that here CD is a bisector of angle ACB and HG is a bisector of angle FGE, but you know that here angle ACB and angle FGE are equal, means the halves of equals are also equal. Therefore, the four angles made by the bisectors must be equal. So here ACD must be equals to FGH, and also that ACD must be equals to DCB, and also they must be equals to HGE, and also they must be equals to HGF. The four angles are equal. You know that halves or equals are equals, and you can write that one, or otherwise while taking the triangle also you can take. So write in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD or DCA and triangle HGF, and you write here, you know that angle A is equals to angle F. That is because they are the angles of the similar triangles, and also halves of equals are equals, means you can have angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. Angle, first you write which angle? Angle A is equals to angle F. Why? Here you can take, if you take this is 1, consider this is first, you can write from first, or otherwise you can write angles of similar triangles also you can write. Corresponding angles of similar triangles, or you can write from first it is. If you consider this one is the first, from first, and also you know that angle ACD is equals to angle FGH. Angle ACD is equals to angle in triangle DCA, in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, and it is given that here there is a equal angles, that is angle A is equals to angle F. Angle A is equals to angle F here, because the reason you can give, that is from first. That is from first. If you consider this one as a first, or otherwise you can give the reason corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. You can write the reason with explanation, or you can write the reason by considering this first. So you write from first. The next one is angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. Angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. So the reason what you can give here, halves of equal angles are equal. Here from first you got that angle A is equals to angle ACB is equals to angle FGE. Angle ACB is equals to HGB. They are the halves of the angle ACB and FGE. Halves of equal angles. Halves of equal angles. Here ACB is equals to FGE and DCA is half of angle ACB and next angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. Angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. Here DCA is the half of angle ACB, HGF is the half of angle FGE. So they becomes halves of equals. Here you know that the angle ACB is bisected by this line CD and angle EGF is bisected by the line GH. So here all the four halves must be equal. So you can write halves of equals are equal. Halves of equals are equal. So then you can write here you got two pairs of corresponding angles equal. Therefore you can write triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF, and then you can write the ratio. But here the similarity criterion used, that you know, that is AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion, and you need the ratio, that is CD by GH is equals to AC by HG. So you know here CD by GH is equals to CD by, therefore write CD by GH is equals to AC by FG. That is AC by FG. AC by FG, you know that ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal here. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal, or they are in proportion. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So you got the first one here. The second one is prove that triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE, and with the help of the same reason you can prove that two triangles are similar. So you write the names of the two triangles. Second one, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE. HGE. Here they are HGE, and you know that here equal angle is angle B is equals to angle E. That is given, means they are the corresponding angles of the similar triangles ABC and triangle FEG. And also Here again you can take the help of halves of equals are equal, that is angle DCB is equals to angle HGE. So you write which angles are equal here. Angle B is equals to angle E. Angle B is equals to angle E. They are the corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles you can write, or otherwise directly you can write from first. From first you write. From first. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Next you take halves of equals angles are equal. That is angle DCB is equals to angle HGE. Angle DCB is equals to angle HGE. You can give the same reason. Halves of equal angles are equal. Equal angles are equal, or halves of equals are equal. Again you got that according to AA similarity criterion you can write, therefore triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So criterion used here, AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. You got the second one also. Third one, that is you prove that triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. That is proved already, but once more time that you can, once again you can take that angles same here. That is in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, angle A is equals to angle F and angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. Angle DCA is equals to angle HGF and the triangles are similar. Write the names of the triangle. In triangle DCA and triangle HGF. In triangle DCA and triangle HGF. HGF. You write the angles here. Here you know that A and F are angles of the similar triangle. Angle A is equals to angle F. So from first you can write, or corresponding angles of similar triangles from first. Then here halves of equals. So what are the halves of equals? Here it already proved, angle DCA and angle HGF. Angle DCA and angle HGF. Right? Angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. Angle DCA is equals to angle HGF. Give the same reason. Halves of equals are equal. Half of equal angles are equal. So therefore you can write, therefore triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So according to AA similarity criterion. So you got all the three results here. So you proved first one, second one and also third one.